Alright, we're gonna reassemble it after a successful leak test overnight. Uh, my pressure didn't drop overnight, so I removed the bottle. You need to bleed the bottle because this section here need to be aligned when we put the rails back on. Alright, now we need to loosen this screw and this one here. Alright, if you don't, this part of the rail won't align with this forward section. All right. Just loosen them, but don't take it off. All right. After it's loosened, you flip it over. All right. Now we're going to put the cocking mechanism. Put it on top. Like that. Now, you can see it. This lever here. It needs to go underneath here. So you need to align the pin to the lever. So you have to align everything because this back section it moves. So you need to hold it so they both kind of align. I mean, close to it, till you get this pin back in. All right, when you put this forward block, there's a pin underneath here. Make sure it's aligned inside in front of the hammer and forward of it, so the pin can go down in there to cock it. Then you have to lift it up, guide this pin on the lever there. Now keep it in its position, cocking, it's on. Well, anyway, this pin has to be forward the cocking lever, the piston, so you can cock it back. All right, now put the top plate back on. All right, yeah, make sure. I didn't remove the grease, so I'm not going to re-grease this, but this was smooth anyway, so I don't need to re-grease it. All right, you have to make sure it's plate, it's even with the holes for the screws. All right, then the forward bushing for the barrel. All right, it has this fat section here, the thickness has to be in the bottom. Same as this alignment with this bushing here, so the barrel can go in there. But you can put it in backwards, and the barrel won't align with this bushing. All right, kind of lift up the plate till it slides underneath it. When everything is aligned, start putting some screws in there so it won't move. All right. Yes, when you got your rail on, I mean, this breech section is aligned now. So we need to tighten down this screw and the set screw here. All right, when everything's tightened down, you have to cycle this. Make sure it cocks and closes. All right, seems to be normal. Now we're gonna put the scope rail on. Screw goes here and this two here. Don't over tighten these screws. Nightmare if you strip one. Alright. I think before I put the chickpeas on, I want to actually test this out. Right. Well, we're screwing our bottle. We can do either way, screw a bottle or barrel. Put the barrel in. Actually, I'd rather put the bottle in. It's easier to put the bottle in with the barrel out of the way. And now with the barrel. And when you feel a barrel go into a slot, slowly tighten down your barrel tightening screw while you rotate the barrel. When it actually goes a line, you know, this will stop turning. Then you tighten all the way. Finger tight it. I'm gonna fire this, make sure I want a minimum safe direction. Okay. All right, it fires. Now we just gotta test it out and chrony it and set the speed. If anything I missed, we'll put it on detail or make another video. You just gotta remember when you take this apart, which screws goes where. All right. This is only about the second time I took this rail apart, so it's kind of confusing which screws goes there, but if it ain't the right screw, it's not gonna go in. Alright, that's what's helped me the longest. Okay, hope this helps out. And don't do this while you're in warranty. You're gonna avoid it. If you have a problem with it, leak or anything, contact your dealer. They'll repair it within your 1 year warranty period. Okay? If you have any question, email me. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.